Welcome to Geo Virtual Learning channel. In this video, I will discuss about the coefficient of geographical association. Coefficient of geographical association, that is measure of association in statistics, any of various factors or coefficient used to quantify a relationship between two or more variables. Measures of association are used in various fields of research where they frequently are used to quantify relationships between different variables. A measure of association may be determined by any of several different analyses, including correlation analysis and regression analysis. The method used to determine the strength of an association depends on the characteristics of the data for each variable. Data may be measured on an interval ratio scale, an ordinal rank scale, or a nominal categorical scale. These three characteristics can be thought of as continuous, integer, and qualitative categories respectively. In order to measure the intensity of association between different variables, coefficient of geographical association may be calculated by using this formula. That is Cg equals to half summation mod 100xi divided by xt minus 100yi divided by yt, where Cg is the coefficient of geographical association, xi and yi are the areal occurrences of two conditions, xt and yt are total occurrences in all the areas. The numerators are multiplied by 100 so that the subtraction is between percentage. The coefficient has a range of 0 and 100. A low coefficient indicates high association between two sets of observation. A high coefficient shows low association. The scale of coefficient of geographical association may be graded into 6. For simplicity, you can see this table. First column indicates scale of coefficient of geographical association, and second column, that is qualitative characteristics. The range of the coefficient of geographical association ranges from 0 to 100. That is why 0 means exact association or correspondence, 1 to 25 high correspondence, 26 to 50 medium correspondence, 51 to 75 low correspondence, 76 to 99 very low correspondence, 100 no association or correspondence. To illustrate the coefficient of geographical association, I have put a question. By solving this, you can easily understood the same. Here the question is, calculate the coefficient of geographical association of Coachbihar district of West Bengal with the data given below. There are 12 blocks in Coachbihar district and the data represents the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe population according to block wise according to 2011 census. Let's start with calculation. This is the table for calculation of coefficient of geographical association. Here SC population of each block represent xi and ST population for each block represent yi. I have already told you about the formula for coefficient of geographical association, that is 1 by 2 summation mod 100 xi by xt minus 100 yi by yt. Now we have to calculate 100 xi by xt. So xi represents the SC population for each block and xt represents the total population of the district. Similarly, yi represents the ST population for each block, and YT represents the total ST population of the district. So we have to calculate the 100 xi divided by xt. Simply, the value of xi for each block is multiplied by 100 and then divide by the total SC population of the district. So in this way, the result for each block you have to calculate, that is for Cosbeer 1 the value of 100 xi by xt it is 9.42. So in this way you have to calculate for all the block. Again in the same process you have to calculate the value of 100 yi by yt. So for Cosbeer 1 block, the value of 100 yi by yt, that is 7.11. Lastly, you have to calculate the mode 100 xi by xt minus 100 yi by yt. Simply you have to subtract the value from 100 xi divided by xt to 100 yi by yt. Since there is mode symbol is used, therefore no negative sign is applicable. So in this way you have to calculate the values of this column for each block, and lastly you have to sum up all the values. The result gives 68.19. By putting the value of the summation of mode 100 xi by xt minus 100 yi by yt in the formula, it gives the value of 34.10. Therefore, the value of coefficient of geographical association is 34.10. In case of interpretation, you can write in the way that the result of coefficient of geographical association, that is 34.10, falls on the medium correspondence or association, that is the range 26 to 50. Therefore, it can be said that there is a medium correspondence or association between the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe population in Cosbeer district. In case of scheduled tribe population of Cosbeer district, their distribution must be more appropriate in the block level for implementing any development plan at local level. Hope you can understand. So you can share and subscribe the channel for getting more videos notification when I upload the same. Thanks for watching.